when you were stopped at the traffic light and you were turning left, so you have done your mirrors, signal, positioning, and we stopped because traffic light was red. Yeah. When the traffic light goes amber, what you should have done?
Put my foot off the brake.
What's the meaning of amber?
Or to get ready to go.
Get ready. I'm not gonna go towards go. We say get ready.
Or check my mirrors.
Prepare. Yes.
Yeah.
So prepare to check your mirrors and then go. Or if you're driving and the traffic light has been green for a while, and if it goes amber, then prepare to check your mirrors, slow down, and prepare to stop.
Yeah.
Now, did you check your mirrors that time before you moved?
No.
Now, do you notice we did have a left cycle lane as well?
Yeah.
Now, as because you were turning left, and what if you turning left and the cyclist was going straight? You may be signaling, but obviously they don't know. And if he's coming and if you don't see it, you're going to knock them over.
Yeah, knock them off.
So check your mirrors before you go as well. Okay. Now, as we turn into this road, what signs did you saw?
A roundabout sign.
A roundabout sign. So as you turn left at the traffic light, you saw the roundabout sign, yeah?
Yeah. I think I did. I didn't do that.
So the roundabout is there.
Yeah.
How come the roundabout sign will be like half a mile away?
To warn us.
They might be here somewhere, not that far. Okay, now tell me one thing. Okay, forget about there's a roundabout there.
Okay.
You're joining a new road. What did we say to you? So we do MSPSL. So mirror, signal, positioning, speed, and look. As you're turning, what else you should be looking? So you're looking for potentially car parked. Any hazards?
Speed limits.
A speed limit.
Yeah.
There were 2 signs over there.
Yeah, he said 20, didn't it?
I don't know. Well, you just telling me you don't know. You saw the roundabouts and now you're telling me 20. Look for the signs as well. Because once you start doing more independent driving, obviously you still at beginner stage going towards intermediate.
Yeah.
I will have to ease off my instructions and you will have to make your own decisions though, yeah? Yes, it was 20 sign because if I would have not tell you, I'm sure you would have going more faster there, yeah? So always think about your speed though, okay?
Okay.
Right, so let's drive off.